In this video, I will guide you through the exact process for closing out your entire platform profile permanently in Typeform. If you have decided that you no longer need your account and want to wipe your data from their servers forever, just follow these simple steps carefully. To begin, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen and navigate to the Your Settings menu. This will open up your configuration options, and you should land directly on the Account tab by default. Once you are there, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page interface layout. You are looking for a specific button labeled Delete My Account. When you locate it, go ahead and click it to proceed. At this point, a security compliance verification box will pop up on your screen as a safety measure. You will need to type in your account password to authorize the network request. This step also serves as a confirmation that you fully understand that the data erasure is entirely irreversible and cannot be undone once completed. Take a moment to ensure you have saved anything you might need later, because everything will be gone. Finally, after you have entered your password and reviewed the warning, click the button that says Delete Account one last time to finish the process. Your profile and all associated data will then be permanently removed from the Typeform system, and your access will be revoked immediately. This ensures your privacy and that all your information is gone.